The town square is bathed in warm sunlight as Maya skips happily. Maya greets people with
Did you know I put this together in under 20 minutes? Hello creators, I'm Tania, and today I'm going to guide you through the exciting world of AI-generated storytelling. If you've ever wanted to create beautiful stories that spread kindness, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to take a simple story and turn it into a cool, animated video in just a few clicks. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, let's get you all set up. Head over to MAGICLIGHT's website, sign up, and just like that, you're ready to go. It's fast, free, and you'll be creating in no time. Now, you'll see the login screen. If you've already created an account, just enter your email address and password. If you signed up with your Google account, simply click on the Sign In with Google's button, and bam, you're good to go. All right, now that we're all set, let's explore. Click on Create New Video and get ready for the magic to happen. This is where the fun begins, and I promise you, it's going to be so much fun. Here, we can choose between landscape or portrait for your project. Since we're making a kid-friendly story today, we'll go with the Disney 3D style. So cool, right? Let's write our story. I've got a little tale in mind about Maya, a sweet girl who wants to cheer up her sad friend. Here's what I came up with. Maya noticed her friend was feeling down, so she decided to do something kind. A small act of kindness from Maya brought a big smile to her friend's face. It's simple, but it's full of love and warmth, don't you think? So we're using DeepSeek for this. It's short and sweet, straight to the point. I let DeepSeek do its thing for the story. Let's copy and paste our story now. Once we've got it ready, paste it into MAGICLIGHT. It'll automatically suggest pictures and animations that fit your story. So easy. Now that we've done that, let's move on. Go ahead and click Next, and it'll take you to the next step. You'll need to click another button to bring your character up and see how they look. Once you've got everything the way you like, click Preview to see how it looks. If you're happy with it, hit Export, and MAGICLIGHT will save your video, ready to share with friends, family, or whoever needs a little kindness. And that's it. You just created a heartwarming animated story using MAGICLIGHT. See? It's super simple and fun to do, and now you've got a beautiful video to share. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun tutorials. Stay kind, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.
The town square is bathed in warm sunlight as Maya skips happily. Maya greets people with a bright smile, showcasing her connection to the community. With infectious energy, Maya heads towards Lily's house. Maya finds Lily sitting on a swing in her front yard, looking downcast. Maya approaches Lily with concern. Maya, what's wrong, Lily? Maya leads Lily through a sun-dappled meadow. Maya and